With your boy, I'm back again with another video. So right here, I'm here to give you an update as regards to Trust Call. So we all know Trust Call is a project and a network that actually imitates call network. So you can see. So right now, there's a big update from there. So withdrawal is now open, but here's the problem. So the problem is this: one, this Trust Call they are not genuine. To me, they are not genuine. They are actually totally scam. So the reason I say so is because before they launched this project last year, they they launched two projects. One is TrustCore, then the other is Brass.io. Brass.io. So when they launched that project, so it did not even take like 2 months before they say they want to list. And when they say they want to list, so they were just agitating that they have, they were saying they want to list on Binance, list on this, but there's nothing. But we are just asking people to deposit money for gas fee. So they just bring that project just to see how people will actually key to that brass that they actually launch. But everybody told them that they were scam and nobody turned up. So, and they are the one who launched this trust code the same day that they launched them. So they just want to leave this trust code for just like let me just say almost a year so that they will think that they are real. So what they are doing now, they don't have their own contract address, but they are using trust core network address as their as a trust core address. So right now they are saying withdrawal is now open. So this is their contract address and this is core address. So you can see it. So this is what they're saying that withdrawal now is live. So this is just the big news about them. But see what say they are scam. You can see just let's go to their wallets. See we are on the trust core right now. So what you need to do, you go to the down side, which is the wallet section. You tap the me, which is the wallet section. Just tap on it. So you can see it right now. So you can see my total balance is estimated as 3,967. So you can see if you go to this deposit, hmm, if you go to the deposit now, so if it you will see that you will see the address right here. If you copy this your address, so they are telling you that you should deposit a minimum of 10 core with approximately $1. So if you deposited it, it's just for you to verify your deposit. To verify deposit, if you make a transfer of this 10 score, give a 10 call now to to this place, then they verify it. You can no longer withdraw this coin, which are your 10 call. You can no longer withdraw it out of this place. It's totally lost. This one when you do this one error of X. Then two, why are they depositing after they have already say your gas fee you are going to pay is 0.5 cents dollar that you are going to pay 0.5 cent dollar. So once they make this minimum of 0.5 cent dollar, then after you have transfer or make a transfer of this 10 call for you to verify your wanting, that money is totally lost. You can't withdraw it. And two, again, two, see after launching this project, there are so many things they're supposed to do that they have not do. One, they are saying that they are integrating the system of a trust core of core network. So if they want to buy the idea of core network, they definitely they would have do the same things core network do. So all these things you're saying, this is what we have seen before. Other scam projects that have come to this core network, which is cake, the life of the cake. They also do the same. So once you buy now, you can see, and this trust score is nowhere like, or there's no period of time that they will list. You will just withdraw it. It will just be showing on your MetaMask or your Trust wallet. But the dollar, which is the amount you have deposited, they have withdrawn those ones to themselves. So they will just rock pull you, then they will not list. So you will just be seeing that number there, but nothing is going to happen. So that's what they are doing. So if you want to withdraw, if you just click on this deposit or withdraw now, you will see if you open that contract address on their trust on their Telegram page, then you open it on your MetaMask, go to Core Network, then open it there. You will see that it will show Trust Core. So then you copy the address, you paste it here, then you pay the 0.5 cent dollar. So then you withdraw it. Imagine like 1,000 people pay that 0.5 cent dollar. Calculate it or who that 10 core or that 10 core. A lot of people pay and they make deposit of it just to know the amount of money those guys will actually rob or thief or scam people off. So we have seen this a lot of time on the crypto space. So it's a scam project. So to me, I'm not advising you to actually withdraw. Pay even though it is very small in gas fee, but they are scam. They are not going to list. You will just actually copy or withdraw it. It will just be there. So and they will not have any end period of withdrawal that withdrawal will end today or tomorrow. No, because they are still waiting so that people will actually be making payment so that they will accumulate those money to themselves. So that's what you will see. So I don't know, but for I would say for your own advice, for my own advice to you, don't make such a deposit. But if you want to just do it for just to that's just want to afford what you can actually lose. So if you want to lose what you can afford, then you can just do it just for crypto purpose. You understand? So like if you click on this deposit now, okay, let me just take it now to Trust Wallet. So you can see right now I'm on my MetaMask, so I'm not using Trustco. I'm on MetaMask. So you can see that I'm a core network, which is called Daho. So this is how you can add it. If you click on this plus button right here, you can see the plus button just at the right hand side of the core network or the core Daho. If you click on it, you can see it. So I've already copied the contract address from MetaMask on the TrustCore group, which is a Telegram group. So you see right now, let me just add it. So just wait a little bit. So you can see it. I'll just click next. So you can see the TrustCore right now. So you can see it. So definitely right now, all you are seeing right now, they don't have their own personal contract address or anything. They are just using core address for everything they are doing. And after everything, they will just report, then they will run away. So if I had it right now, you can see, let me just import it. So you can see it right, you can see it right here. So if you click on it right now, then you can just copy their address. You click on receive, then you copy the address right here. Then you go to their, their app, then you open it. Once you open it, then you can copy it, but you pay that 0.5 cents, $0.5 cents. So this is what they are just doing. So we have seen a lot of this. We have seen a lot of this. And the reason why I'm even crying they are scam, when you go to their Twitter page, you see they are wrong English they are speaking. You know that all these guys they are from Indians. So their English is not correct. Everything they are just doing all their write up, everything is just they are speaking off. Their English is not, their sentence are not correct. Their grammatical things, not is correct. So everything they are just calm because they have already opened like other projects, other network before just to scam people before they leave this trust score for delay. So but if you want to withdraw, I'm not advising you to withdraw, but they just how to do it. But I'm still also telling you how scam they are because they are big scam. So though the money is small, I can pay it. I can just pay it. I just for that, just to risk it, just to let people know this how to do it. But they are scam. They are scam. So but if you have any intake or you have any ideas as regards to them that they are true, that they are not scam, then you can quickly leave it on the comment section. Let buttress on it. So, but if you find this video helpful, do well to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you. Peace out.